make your equipment gear much more cohesive or harmonious enough for you to be able to create more content and hindi maging complex yung pag-prepare mo before you shoot. Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo and thank you for watching this video. And for this week, isi-share ko sa inyo ano ba yung mga must-have gears nyo if you really want to establish your home studio for your vlogs. So wag na natin patagalin pa, no? So punta na tayo sa point number 1, which is your camera. We cannot shoot our vlogs without having any camera. So it might be your phone you're using right now, or your M50, or your point and shoot camera. So any camera na pwedeng mag-shoot sa inyo will do as long as you're happy with it, as long as you're inspired to shoot with that camera, any camera will do. But ito yung caveat doon. If you really want to have that greater quality or better quality, I would still go to a real camera, which is like what I'm using right now, the EOS R from Canon. So next thing na kailangan mo is the support or accessory for your camera, which is right now I'm using a tripod. Any tripod will do if you have that mini tripod like this one right here. This is the Manfrotto Pixie mini tripod, I think. Then you can also use this kind of tripod for your phones. If you really have that budget, you can invest on this kind of tripods. Gorilla Pod from Joby. So there you go. So right now what I'm using is this Benro carbon fiber tripod from Sir Edwin. So next is the half of your video, which is the audio quality. So you can choose between using a lavalier mic, which is right now I'm using the LCM2 from CK Mova Philippines. So you can also use this kind of microphones, the Dynamic Mic 1, which is from Shure SM57, or you can use the SM7B if you have any budget. Or you can also use boom mics like this one right here. So this boom mics is very handy and very easy to use. So you can put it above your camera and plug it on your camera. Just make sure na your camera does have this mic input. Kasi hindi po lahat ng camera ay mayroong mic input. So this is the EOS M50. We have the EOS M50 Mark II right now. So you can check it out if you really want to have a better or good vlogging camera. So going back to audio quality, bakit sinabi ko na half of your video is your audio? Kasi if sobrang hina or sobrang pangit ng audio nyo, or sobrang naririnig yung noise, naririnig yung fan, naririnig yung kung ano-ano man aside from your voice, malaki yung chance na aalis yung mga viewers mo, hindi pa man nakakarating sa gitna. So better, yes, maganda na meron tayong magandang home studio for our vlogs, but please don't overlook sa audio nyo. So better invest on this one also. Next thing na kailangan mo is good lighting. Meron tayong video about this topic, so you can check it out here. And right now I'm using my Yake Photo 150 watt LED light and a reflector beside me. If you really want to see kung paano ko to sineset up and kung ano yung mga preparation ko para sa two layouts from this home studios, this small home studio, please kindly check that video up here. And bakit ba kailangan ng magandang lighting? Kasi syempre kung gusto mo ng home studio na maganda, hindi mo mapapakita yung ganda nito without investing on a good lighting at hindi mo ma-set up. Kasi kung yung fluorescent light pa din yung gagamitin mo, pangit pa rin siya tignan sa video, di ba? So if you invest on those home studio equipment, better invest also in a good lighting setup. Next thing is your backdrop. Maraming uri ng backdrop, like the plain one, kung ano yung kulay ng gusto mo sa video or sa branding mo, like kung gusto mo ba ng yellow or ng blue as backdrop, pwede mong gawin yon. But meron ding mga videos na katulad ng sa akin, na yung workstation ko mismo yung aking backdrop. Pwede mo rin itong gawin. So, ang kailangan mo nga lang dito is a better interior design sa home studio mo para maging harmonious yung arrangement ng design mo ng home studio mo dun sa video na ginagawa mo. So if you want light and bright, so arrange or design your interior with light and bright stuff. Or if you want that wood feel or moody feel, arrange your studio in that way. So backdrop makes our video more interesting, but please kindly take note na content pa din, syempre, yung kailangan natin pag-investan ng mas matagal. Plus, bonus points talaga guys. Eto, hindi lang tayo basta build ng backdrop or ng design sa home studio natin ha. Kailangan relevant yung backdrop natin sa ginagawa nating content sa YouTube channel natin. Then last thing na kailangan natin for our home studio is syempre our workstation, which is kung nakikita nyo, nasa likod ko yung workstation ko. Since we have all the necessary things na kailangan natin, may camera na tayo, may audio na tayo, may good lighting na tayo, and na-shoot na natin yung video natin, hindi ito natin mai-edit kung wala tayong workstation. So invest also in a good workstation, lalo kung gusto mo mag-shoot ng 4K resolution, pero hindi mo na-consider yung pag-e-editan mo or yung workstation mo, mahihirapan ka sa editing. So, if you really want to have those good quality, those great quality 4K, 8K, right now I'm shooting at 1080p, invest in a good workstation. Kasi, mas mapapadali yung workflow mo, hindi ka ma-stress, hindi ka ma-hassle, ma-upload mo agad yung video mo, and hindi ka tatamarin na mag-shoot ng content. Kasi complexity makes our work, our content creation even harder. So even if you're using a phone, I suggest that you still invest in a good laptop with external drive kasi hassle, 'di ba, kapag ka na-feeling ko na feel niyo na to na nagsushoot kayo, biglang nag-memory full kasi lahat ng sinushoot mo, lahat ng content mo, lahat ng kung ano man na nilalagay mo sa video mo is within your phone. So having a good laptop, having a good external or trusty external hard drive, mapi-free up yung space sa phone mo, and dun ka pa nakakapag-edit sa laptop, which is a bigger screen. Alam naman natin yon. So okay talaga even if you're shooting on your phone na makapag-invest sa laptop and external hard drive. If you will ask me if anong laptop yung pwede na i-invest, I suggest na get a 16 gigabytes RAM at least, kasi nga kapag 8 gig RAM yan guys, na-experience ko na, malag talaga. Lalo kapag ka mag-video editing kayo, hindi siya ganon ka-smooth. And also, invest in a good video card, at least siguro 4 gigabytes of video card, para lang talagang hindi maging hassle yung workflow mo, para hindi ka tamarin at hindi ka ma-discourage sa pagko-content creation. So Jeff, bakit mo ba sinasabi na laging maging madali yung content creation? Because I discovered na kapag marami akong ginagawa before ako mag-shoot, nawawala na yung gana ko mag-shoot after ko umupo dito, and or kapag naiisip ko pa lang na mag-setup na naman, ganito yung gagawin ko. Nawawala na yung focus ko dun sa content itself, and napofocus na lang ako dun sa mga complexity na dapat kong gawin. That's the reason why I made this home studio as easy as possible for me to create content, para in the future hindi ako tatamarin sa paggawa ng content. And yung mga time na pag-aayos ko, mas dumadami yung time tuloy ng pagre-research ko, paggawa ko ng content, paano ko isasabihin sa inyo, paano ko i-present sa inyo yung mga topic na ilalabas natin sa video sa channel na to. Mas dumadami yung time ko. Kasi nga, hindi ako na-stress na ngayon sa paggagawa or pag-aayos ng equipment ko, kasi mas efficient. Doon ko ginawa. Doon ko plinano yung mga equipment na meron ako, na dapat efficient yung pagkaka-place ng mga equipment or gear na meron ako sa home studio. So that's our last tip for this video. Make your equipment gear much more cohesive or harmonious enough for you to be able to create more content and hindi maging complex yung pag-prepare mo before you shoot. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video helped you a lot in your content creation or your plan for you to have a home studio for your vlogs. And if it really helped you, don't forget to click the like and share button. And also, if you want to learn more about photography, videography, editing, and vlogging, consider clicking the subscribe button. And if you want to support me and this channel in creating more videos in the future, we also do have our Buy Me a Coffee link in our description box below. Once again, this is Geronimo. Don't forget to leave a comment in our comment box at gusto kong binabasa yan at makipag-interact sa inyo. And see you on my next one. Bye! Peace!